Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video we're going to talk about website conversions more in depth. So as you know, it's a bidding option on Facebook, and when you are bidding for website conversions, Facebook is automatically going to start optimizing your ad only to show to the people within your audience that are most likely to convert, meaning most likely to buy, sign up, whatever it is that your goal for your campaign is. The one caveat to these types of campaigns is you really need to have about 25 sales already recorded through the Facebook conversion pixel in order to make these types of ads effective. Now, you can do that by starting out and running a OCPM PPE ad or a clicks to website ad. Let your I guess what's the word I'm looking for? Let your t-shirt get some conversions, or what your product, whatever it is, get some conversions kind of under its belt from Facebook on that pixel, and then you can come in and create a website conversions ad. And after you've had about 25 plus conversions on your ad, it'll start to learn who the buyers are. Like, are they men versus women? What age groups? What are their interests? All that good stuff. And if you use these types of ads, you don't really have to target your ads as in depth. I mean, in some cases, I'm just targeting age groups. I'm not even targeting interests, because Facebook already knows, who's more likely to buy this type of design, because I've let the ad run for so long. It's crazy. It's a lot of the big guys, a lot of the power sellers in the space. They've asked me, they're like, how are you getting all of these sales without targeting, like in-depth targeting? I'm like, because the conversion pixel, it does it all for me. So there's a huge benefit to conversion pixels. You just simply, you got to wait it out. And in the long run, it'll be brilliant, and you can get some really low cost per conversions on the front end. So my optimal cost per conversion is $1 to $5. If you can get that, like, you're killing it. That means every time you spend anywhere from $1 to $5 on Facebook ads, you should expect a sale. On t-shirts, my profit margin is about $15 to $18 per t-shirt sold. So if every time I spend $5, I make $18, I'm doing really, really well. So this is my optimal cost per conversion. My max is going to be 20. So my max cost per conversion is going to be $20. If it's taken $20 for me to get a conversion, I'm usually going to go ahead and cut it off. And the reason I'm saying max is 20, even if my profit is 15 to 18 per shirt, it's because I know that if I'm at least breaking even, I can roll in with retargeting ads later and make up all that money and make a profit. So the one thing about website conversion ads that most people can't handle, and they jump to conclusions and say, oh, I'm not going to do this, I'm going back to paid post engagement, is just waiting it out. Patience is a virtue. Facebook's conversion pixel performs better and better over time. So the longer you let the ad run, the better it's going to perform. The more data that it gets, the better it's going to be. So overall, you get less clicks to the website with these types of ads. You're likely even going to get less engagement on your post. In other words, you're not going to get as many likes, shares, and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, what we're really going for is more sales, because sales equals money. Comments and engagement does not equal money. Sales equals money. So let's come in here and let's look at one of my Facebook campaigns where I'm targeting for conversions. And you'll see here, I'm in a campaign now that I'm running, and it's still running to this day. I've been running it now for, it looks like a little over a week or so. And it's active. I've had 22 conversions on it. My cost per conversion is $5.02. So that's working out really well for me. It's right there in the sweet spot. I've had 14,492 clicks. My CTR is 5.8%, which is good. You'll see though my relevance score is 10 out of 10. So the relevant scores are pretty new. So I'll read you the definition. A 1 to 10 score based on how your ad is performing with the selected audience. A higher score indicates a lower cost. So Facebook's now measuring the interactions, the clickers, and all that stuff, and they're giving you a relevance score. And this one has a 10 out of 10. Now, why does it have a 10 out of 10? It's not because I'm a phenomenal ad copywriter, even though I do like to give myself a little bit of credit in that area. It's because Facebook is optimizing it to only show to the people that really are more likely to be interested, which is getting me a really low cost per conversion. I've spent $110 on this campaign. So you can see up here my total spent is $110. So not a lot of spend, but take a look at this. I've actually made $726 off of this. So $700.26. Sorry. That's a huge return. I mean, that's massive, right? And my ROI is so high because the Facebook pixel knows what it's doing and it's going to take care of everything, and it's going to give me the lowest cost per conversion it could possibly get. So all in all, what you need to know about website conversion ads is you should be doing them. They work very well. Patience is a virtue. They work better and better over time. There's no doubt in my mind that within a week, my cost per conversion on this campaign will go down to like $2 or $3. So make sure that you go in and you create a conversion pixel. There will be a video in here in this series on how to create a conversion pixel if you don't already know how to do that, and place it on your pages. So you can start using this bidding option and rocking out with extremely profitable ads like I just showed you. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.